Abzalbekov. And with one loss, WAF neutral is Jigiti. There's a good stop in the center of the table. It's slowly going down, but oh, it's important that when you feel yourself in a position here, 1,500 athletes for the whole event through 9 days of competition, 650 juniors. We'll have more details about how many masters there are in tomorrow's event, but we won't have that till tomorrow. Pretty much the same situation, only they're in the straps now, almost at the pin line. Let's see the referee stop the match. Let's see if Kyrgyzstan was able to pin WAF neutral, and he did. Winner and gold medalist, Beyur Azbekalov from Kazakhstan, is the world champion. Up next, junior boys 75 kilograms. On the A side from Turkey is Hikmet